Hello everyone. In the organic chemistry, what are the topics are the you have to concentrate to get the very good marks in the IIT JEE mains. When it comes to the general organic chemistry, you have to concentration on these topic: resonance, hyperconjugations, aromaticity, carbocation and carbanion, optical and geometrical isomerism. Number of probability of questions like a maximum 2 questions they will ask in the JEE main examination. So in the chapter hydrocarbons, you have to concentration on these topics: halogenation of alkanes, decarboxylation reaction, hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes, ozonolysis reactions, hydrohalogenation of alkene and halogens, alkanes, Friedel-Crafts reactions, acid nature of alkanes and ES. We have to concentration this topic on the hydrocarbons, number of probability of the questions, maximum probability of the questions like a 2 questions. So when it comes to the third chapter, haloalkenes and haloarenes, in this you have to concentrate on these topics. You have to concentrate. So Marconic and anti-Marconic of reactions you have to practice, and reactions of alkenes with NBS, Lucas test and Urge test and Grignard reagent. These are we have to focus more in the haloalkenes and haloarenes. We have to focus. So the number of possibility of questions they will ask, 1 or 2 questions they will ask. The maximum probability like a 1 or 2 questions from this chapter. Next chapter when it comes alcohol, phenol and ether, you have to concentrate more on this chapter. You can see here you have to concentration on the hydroborations. So oxidation you have to concentrate. Next one is acid catalyzed hydrations, ACH, reduction with the metal hydrate and reaction with HiO4, oxidations reactions you have to concentrate. When it comes to the named reactions in this chapter, you have to concentrate on the Victor Mayer test and reactions of ethers with HI. Next, Cumin process you have to do, and Riemann-Tiemann reactions you have to do. So maximum probability of these questions coming from this chapter like a 2 questions. So next chapter, aldehyde and ketone. In this chapter we have to focus on these areas: aldol condensation, Keniziro reaction, haloform reactions, and Torrance swelling and Benedict test. Reactions of aldehyde with a NH3 derivatives. You have to focus on this concept. So number of probability of questions is like a 1 to 2 questions. Next, carboxylic acid and derivatives. So we have to focus on the decarboxylation reaction and esterification reactions and HV2 reactions. So the probability of the questions they will ask like a 1 questions. So next, when it comes to the most important chapter, that is called as a amines. So the maximum probability of the questions they in this chapter they will ask 2 questions. So Hinsenberg test, mustard oil reactions, nitrous acid test, basicity of NH3, Hoffman bromide degradations, carbolamine reactions. You have to focus on these areas along with the others. That means you have to more practice this concept. You have to practice. So when it comes to the biomolecule, the maximum probability of the questions is like a 1 or 2. Carbohydrates, important subtopics, reactions of the glucose, reducing and non-reducing nature, anomers and epimers, and DNA and RNA. So these are the whatever the chapter I mentioned, we have to focus on this chapter more along with the others. So next video I will explain about the inorganic chemistry, what are the important topics. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.